Andrethefarmer here, and we are in the middle of, well, the side of my lake here. I have a guava tree that's been growing in the water ever since the lake rose, but we did an air layer on it, and I can see through the bag here that there's roots in this air layer, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And it's been a little less than 3 months, which is usually what I wait, but since I saw all these roots in here, I was like, you know what? We can open up this air layer now. So air layering is just the process by which we create roots on a branch so that we can then remove this branch and plant it and we get a brand new tree. Now the great thing about it is the tree that we get is gonna be mature from day one. It's not a seedling. It's not gonna take years to fruit. It can fruit the following year. I've got some air layers that are fruiting right now that we did last summer. And they're little, but they're mature. So here we go. We're gonna open this up. And you guys can already see that we've got some roots there. And we did this one with a bag. Sometimes I do it with a bag. Sometimes I do it with the capsules. But this one was with the bag. I probably didn't have any capsules left, but it was with the bag and it looks like it was very successful. And we just gotta figure out how to open up this bag without damaging these roots here. But look at all the roots on this thing. Wow. Oh, we just broke off a bunch. Oh my goodness. All right. We gotta be super careful. These roots are delicate. And we've lost some roots here already. If we lose a lot of roots here, we might just re-tie this thing. We even have ants inside here too, but it still worked. Oh man, we lost a bunch of roots. Look at all these roots that just broke off. We just broke off all these roots opening it up. Hopefully we have enough roots left here. I'm gonna take you guys around to the back side of this. Oh shoot, I just went too deep. Water's sorry guys. My boot is filling up with water, but I want you guys to see the back side of this here. We've got roots all down here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this branch off and we're gonna plant it and we're gonna see if we get a new guava tree. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. See you later guys, bye.